Gang, gang, gang. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Go ahead, grab a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. Today, as you can see, I have my favorite girl. My favorite girl. I have no topic to talk about. I am just hungry. Look at those noodles. Ooh, y'all see that cheese? Got cheese and I got seafood flakes. My children is in the back fixing their some goodies. We all just got back from school. Ooh, that's spicy. Yeah, I got a new phone. Can you tell? My dad called me. Y'all don't know this, but my daddy crazy. And that's where I get most of my craziness from. My daddy. He goes, Antoinette, I need for you to come and get change your service from Cricket to Metro. I was like, no. He's like, cause Metro has a deal. If you start somebody brand new, you could get 2 expensive phones for $80 only. I'm like, no, I don't care. Leave me alone. Yeah, I'm gonna eat this real slow. I'm about to enjoy these noodles right here. He's like, but you're my daughter and I need for you to help me. My phone is broken. I need a new phone. I need for you to transfer your service from Cricket to Metro so we can get these phones. I'm like, Dad, that's just like asking me for moving from East Coast to move to West Coast out of nowhere. Like, no, I'm comfortable where I'm at. He's like, I'm on my way. I'm like, oh, he said, you better get dressed. I'm on my way. Here we go. I said, if you come over my house, Dad, I'm going to have to slap you. You can tell he been drinking. Next thing you know, there's a knock at my door. I'm like, this. You guys, I love my daddies. But he can get crazy sometimes, especially if he drinking. So I'm like, closing my blinds slowly. Not answering the door. My daughter's like, my 3-year-old daughter, she's like, who's at the door? I'm like, Grandpa. She's like, I want Grandpa. I want Grandpa. I want Grandpa. If you want Grandpa, go get Grandpa. So I open the doors really, really small. And then my daughter creeps out and gives Grandpa a hug. And here come my daddy. Get dressed, girl. Get dressed. We're going to go to the store and get you a new phone with new service. I'm like, no, I told you before you even came over here, I'm not going. I'm just fine where I'm at. I don't care. He said, well, just go put your shoes on. Just come on. Just come on. So I'm not purchasing nothing. I'm not changing my plan. He said, okay, that's fine. Just come on. So I'm like, okay. So I go find my shoes. I'm in my night clothes. I just throw a jacket on top. So, I'm like, you know, my daughter, my middle child daughter, she's 10. Her phone is broke. It cracked and then it bled all the way through. So I'm like, well, maybe I'll just go check her out a phone or something to see whatever, to see what I can do. So she needed a new phone anyway. We get to the store. My dad automatically talking. My dad's automatically talking. Hey, this is my daughter. She's gonna get a new plan. Yeah, let her know that Metro is better than Cricket. And let her know about the deal. So this woman starts talking, and she's like, I told her, I said, well, my bill is $60 a month. She's like, well, I can get it for $40. I was like, okay, well, my phone come with a pen and a good camera. She's like, well, if you do jump over to our business, you can actually get the next upgrade up on your camera. And if you go ahead and do this, deal that Tony, your dad, is talking about, then, then your phone bill will be low. Your phone will be upgraded. And it's going to be like a total of $132 right now. And then your bill will be $40 after each month. And I'm like, that kind of sounds good, you know. I ain't got no $130 just to put right now. My dad said, no, I'm paying. So they convinced me to get a new goddamn phone with a new goddamn carrier. Yeah. Have you ever been stuck in your way? Somebody come along and be like, you know what, if you do it this way, it might be better. And you're like, no, yeah. And then to find out they were correct and they convinced you to do it and you just mad. You mad because they convinced you that it was better than it really was. I was mad. So I'm mad that y'all convinced me to get a better phone with a smaller bill. I'm just mad that you were right. I was mad you were right. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but it's the same brand of phone. It's the newer model. And I put on some eyelashes today. Do you like it or nah? Either way, you got to get the light just right. I'm literally right next to the window. I'm sitting on the floor next to my window. Have y'all just recorded a video just to be recording a video? I know you have. Last bite. Oh, God. You guys, if you are here with me right now, then go to the comment section and put a little heart emoji. I will shout you out in my next video. Also, if you're here right now, and I know that you put that heart, I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye.